Today I received this message from one of my Telegram subscriber who was able to increase his $225 to $1,767 by just copying my trades. So if you are new to binary options or if you want to do copy trading, then this video is for you. And if you are tired of joining multiple Telegram channel that promise you to make profit, gives you signal and makes you loss, then this video is absolutely for you. So watch this video very carefully because I am going to exactly show you how you can start to copy my profitable trades. Here you can see the status of my trading. Also here you can see today I was able to make 100% profitable trade. $504 was profit, and yesterday we made $1,026 in profit. 6 trades were profitable and 100% profitable trades, and in all time we were able to make $17,054 in profit. So watch this video very carefully. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can start to copy my trades. And before watching this video, please like this video. So in order to start to copy my trades, firstly you need to join my free Telegram channel. The link for that free Telegram channel will be in the description of this YouTube video. Just click on that link, join the free Telegram channel, and you will find some instructions there which you need to follow in order to get my UID so that you can start to copy my trade. Once you get that UID, then just log into your Pocket Option account and click on this social trading, and then click on here, and then click on search. Now enter that UID at here. You can just copy and paste the UID. Okay, let me paste it again. So in this way you can put that UID at here and our name will appear in this way. Now just click on this name. You don't need to do anything at here. Just click on copy and you will see these 4 boxes. Now all of these 3 boxes, whatever it is, let it be. Don't touch anything. Only increase or decrease this copy in proportion. So 1% is equals to $2 per trade. So I'll make only $200 per trade. As you can see at here, in today I have made $200 mean and max trade. Yesterday also mean and max trade was $200, and in all time also I have made $1 trade one time, and otherwise I'll only make $200 per trade in each trade. Okay, so that means if you put 100% here, then you will start to copy my $200 per trade as it is. But if you put 1% at here, then you will copy $2 per trade. And if you put 10% at here, that means you will be copying my $20 per trade. So I make $200 per trade, you will copy $20 per trade. And if you want to copy $10 per trade, just make it 5%. In this way you can increase or decrease this copy in proportion, and then just click on confirm and you are done. You will start to automatically copy my trades in your account. If you have watched this video till here, then remember one thing: this is one of the best video that you are going to watch for your lifetime, and this is one of the best copy trading service that you will get ever in this world, that I can promise to you. Now I'll see you inside my Telegram channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.